Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable remote access on your Mac. Whether you want to access your Mac from another computer or let someone else connect remotely, I'll walk you through the steps. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the top left corner of your screen and click the Apple icon. From the drop-down, select System Settings. Once you're in the settings, it may default to the General tab. If not, click General in the sidebar. Now scroll down and select Sharing. Inside the Sharing section, scroll until you see Remote Login and Remote Management. Let's focus on Remote Login. To enable it, simply toggle it on. To disable it, just toggle it off. If you turn it on, be sure to click the eye icon next to Remote Login to view your connection details. This is the command you'll use to connect remotely from another computer. You'll also see options like Allow full disk access for remote users. Allow access for. You can limit remote access to specific users. By default, it's set to administrators, but you can choose all users or manually add users by clicking the plus button. Once configured, simply use the login details shown to connect to your Mac remotely from another device. And that's it. You've now enabled or disabled remote access on your Mac. If this helped, give the video a like and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm always here to help.